Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. The question of today is how to manipulate the match data in Emacs Lisp. Let's go. So when we do a search in Emacs Lisp, the last search matched is called the match data, and we can operate on that data with some function. And today we look at match string, which returns the string that we've matched, and replace match that replaces the match that we've matched. So in the example, we use research forward function, and we want to match any sequences that start with foo dash and end with dash base. So we evaluate that expression, and we have a match at the end of the buffer. Now let's use match string. So we use the function match string, which will return the string that we've matched, but we have to give it an index. 0 is for the whole match. So we see in the echo area that we've matched foo dash bar dash base because this is the whole regular expression. Now, if we want to match only the first sub-expression, we will use the index 1, and we see after evaluating that we get in the echo area only the string bar. Now, let's try to replace the match. So we are going to replace the whole match with, for instance, 3 carets. So if we evaluate that, this replaces the whole match. But as you might have think about this, we can also replace only sub-expression. So we have to use the 5th argument on the index 1 to specify that we want to replace the first sub-expression with the carets. And this is what we get. See you in the next video.